Hi, Phil Rainey here. It's the 7th of March today. 7th of March 2019. I'm just taking an indication of the Earth's magnetic field strength like I have been lately, and I've got my compass on the floor which I use to indicate the Earth's magnetic field strength by putting a fixed magnetic field at right angles to it and measuring the angle difference between the Earth's magnetic field and the magnetic field of the fixed magnetic input at right angles to it. And it's been stronger lately. It's been stronger ever since the Beresheet Israeli moon lander has been in orbit for a couple of days after it's been in orbit, which is good. It's been strengthened. It's stayed at this newer, higher stronger point, and there's been a definite change in the Earth's magnetic field strength. And so if we look down here, we can see we've got my compass on the floor here. You can see this is where this mark here and here is where the south and north pole was originally when I screwed the compass to the floor, and this is the mark where when you put the magnetic screwdriver 105 mils from the at right angles, 105 from the bevel, is where the needle would sit. And as you can see, if you put the north, I'll put the north on the bevel to the mark where the needle would normally sit, or at least a few months ago would sit, and you measure the angle to where the north and south pole was, and that's where the north and south pole was, across there, and you can see that the result is let's go, it's 24 degrees. Well, if you go a bit closer, it's 24 degrees, and that's indicates how strong the Earth, or how weak the Earth's magnetic field was then. That the needle of the compass would swing 24 degrees towards the magnetic screwdriver. But now you can see that the north and south angle has actually changed somewhat. It's yeah, so if you take where it is now, then where the north and south pole runs through the house, or where the magnetic field runs through the house, where it is now, and you can see it's actually on the far side of it. Oh, it's a bit hard to do, to be quite honest. It's on the far side of this mark here to the inside side of this mark here, and if now we get our magnetic screwdriver, and we go 105 mil out from the bevel at right angles to where the magnetic field strength is presently, 105 mil. We'll just straighten up that screwdriver, and you can see where the needle now positions, how far it's pulled by the magnetic screwdriver off the Earth's magnetic field strength plane. And if we set the bevel to where the needle is, right there, and if we measure the degrees to the far side of the mark, we see it's about 21 degrees. Can you read that? 21 degrees. So it's 21 degrees, so the magnetic field is a lot stronger because the needle's pulled more into the compass needle is pulled more into the plane of the Earth's magnetic field strength and away from the magnetic screwdriver. So it's now only 21 degrees towards the magnetic screwdriver, where before it was 24. So that's all I have to say now. For now, over and out.